So today we'll do introduction of algebra. So today our topic is introduction of algebra. Introduction of algebra. So first we have to know that what is the meaning of algebra. What is the meaning of algebra? Algebra is a generalized arithmetic in which numbers are represented by the letters known as literal number or simply literals. The formation which contains letters means suppose A, B, C, X, Y, Z, these are letters. When we are applying these into a formation, that formation is called algebra. That formation will be called as algebra, and they are called literal numbers. They are called literal numbers. Now, how to do operations for this kind of literal numbers? For the addition, if we will write the sum of x and 7, what is the meaning of it? Sum means the addition. Sum means addition of whose? X and 7, which means x plus 7. If there is written that y more than x, this means x is more than means plus y. Number 3, suppose there is written 5 less than x, that means x is bigger value. Then what is here? Less means minus 5. Number 4, next thing is, if there is written that y less than x, which means x minus y. Number 5, suppose there is written 4 times of x, which means 4x. Suppose there is written that product means the multiplication of x and y, which means xy. Okay. Now number 7, suppose there is written x divided by y, which means x by y. Suppose x divided by 7, x by 7, 7 divided by x, 7 by x, like this. Now power. What is the meaning of power? We are saying it to the power. Like suppose we are multiplying same number 4 times, then we call it as 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. If there is written x, which means x to the power 3. Now x to the power 3 can be written as x cube. Okay, x to the power 3 can be written as x cube. X to the power 4, which means x multiply with 4 times, and this is called x quadric. X quadric. Suppose x square means x is multiplied 2 times, which means x square. Now listen, algebraic symbol can be represented in two forms: variable and constant. Constant means the numerical values, that means 1, 2, 3, 0, these are numerical values. 1 to 1, minus 72. These are numerical values. These are called constant. These are fixed. 72 means only 72. There is nothing except 72. Variable means the letters, and the letters can represent any number. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. Okay. So variables can be written as A, B, C, X, Y, Z. These are variables. Now, algebraic expression. What is the meaning of algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means the combination of variable, constant and operations. Means plus, minus, divide, multiply. The combination of these things are called algebraic expression. That means 3x plus 2. Here, this is the formation which is made by variable, constant and operations. This is called algebraic expression. Suppose 2x. Here it is also an algebraic expression. Now, each and every algebraic expression has several parts. In the 3x plus 2, if we will divide 3x and 2 in two several parts, then each part are called term. Usually we can call it as the several part of the expression separated by the sign plus. Look, here it is separated by plus. Suppose there is a question 2x minus 3y. It is separated by minus 2x and minus 3y. So, separated by the sign of plus and minus are called terms. Suppose there is an example 3x plus 5y minus 2xy. In that portion, we can divide it 3 parts. So that means each of part are called terms. Each of the part are called terms. If there is only one term, this is called monomial. If there is two terms, then that is called binomial. If there is three terms, then it is called trinomial. And what about the factors? What is called factors? Factors means when two or more numbers and literal are multiplied, then each of the term is called factor of the product. Suppose there is 2xy. Each and every portion are called factors. Suppose 2x square y, 2x square and y are called factors. Suppose 12x square y square z. Then 12 if we factorize it, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 2 and x square and y square and z. These are factors. Okay. Now the numerical factor, that means 12. 12 is called numerical. 12 is called numerical factor. The numbers are called numerical factors, and the laterals number are called literal factor. Literal number are called literal factor. Okay. Now we'll introduce one more thing. Now coefficient. What is the meaning of coefficient? Coefficient. Coefficient of any number is that number which is the factor multiplying of factor except that particular number. Suppose 2xy. If we will find out the coefficient of x, coefficient of x will be except this x, the whole number is called coefficient. So for that particular question, coefficient of y will be 2 into x. Similarly, suppose there is 7x square y. Coefficient of x square will be minus 7y. Coefficient of y will be minus 7x square. So I think coefficient is clear for everyone. And one thing also, constant term. What is the meaning of constant term? The term doesn't have any kind of variable, doesn't have any literal number. You can say that doesn't have one, doesn't have at least one letters, is called constant term. Suppose 2x plus 3. Here there are two terms. In the first term there is x, which is literal number, and in second term there is only 3. There doesn't exist any kind of literal number. Literal number means the letters. That means this term is called constant term. So plus 3 is constant term.